Hey everybody, welcome back to my Python 3 for Beginners tutorial series. In this video we're going to talk a little bit more about arguments. As you learned before, when you define a function and you need to give it more information when you're declaring it, like when we did for the Fahrenheit to Celsius function, that temp that we put in the parentheses, that's called the argument. Well, you can add multiple arguments to a function, and then you're going to be able to change those when you're declaring the function by using the argument, or we would consider it a keyword at that point, which is called keyword arguments. So let me show you what I mean. If I would put def make sentence, I could put in here for the arguments, I could put name equals Fred, action equals likes, and what he likes is football. And put my colon, and I can put print name action what, and then I can put here make sentence. So I'm going to call the function, and as you would expect, it prints out name action and what, Fred likes football. But let's say I also want to make it so that it's not just Fred who likes football, but it's somebody named Bob who likes football. How I can do that is I can go make sentence, I can put name equals Bob. And when I run that, Fred likes football, Bob likes football. But what if Bob really doesn't like football, but he likes baseball? I can put the what, and Bob for Bob is baseball. So Fred likes football, but Bob likes baseball. Let's say he doesn't like baseball, and we wanted to put that in here as well. I could put action equals does not like. Put another comma right there. Bob does not like baseball. So what we're considering the keywords here are actually these variables, which are the arguments. So each argument basically in this particular situation, or when you learned about default arguments, are variables. In this case, we're considering them keywords, and that's why it's called keyword arguments, because every time we want to change something within this function and the default values, the default arguments in this function, all we have to do is use the keyword, which is the variable that's assigned as the argument, and then we can just add the new value here in quotation marks. So it's simple, that's all it is, and that's considered keyword arguments. So I appreciate that you watch my videos. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to hit the bell when you subscribe so that you can see when I release more videos. And thanks again. I'll see you in the next video.